All right, you guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the family, the channel, and our crew. I hope y'all are doing well and just enjoying y'all week. You guys know we have been going through a lot over the past couple of weeks and months. So I wanted to come on today just to kind of get my mind off of stuff and get my mind off of things. And I want to share with you guys my pieces that I received from Karativa Jewelry. I have worked with them before. You guys remember I had got that beautiful necklace with those two rings. So this time I picked something out that's a little bit different. I got me a signature necklace, a customized signature necklace, and I also got a customized ring. I will have close-ups of them both on the screen. I will have all of their links in the description box below. I will have all of the details in the description box below as well. And I had mentioned before to you guys that Karativa, they do customize different jewelry for you. They have elegant, high-end jewelry all the way to everyday jewelry. Their prices are very affordable, and it can be everyday wear. You can just put it on, go. I have wore actually this particular necklace a few times out to my doctor's appointments, and I've also had just worn it going grocery shopping and stuff. It did not tangle. It was not annoying because sometimes you can get pieces and you just want to take them off. I am very sensitive to certain type of necklaces, and this necklace did not pose an issue for me at all. I did not get any irritation. I forgot that I had it on. And then also with this ring, it's the same. I get my rings in a size 6, and this is their customized birthstone ring. I am going to show you guys a close-up. I did get it in a 6. I got it customized with me and Jordan name on it, my birthstone, and then I just got a clear gemstone for him. And this ring, I've been wearing this ring. I have been wearing it ever since that I received it. And again, I have no issues. And I usually have very sensitive, I have an issue with sensitivity to rings and necklaces and earrings. And I have not had that issue with any of Karativa products. I still do wear my other rings that I had received from them a couple of months back. They are still in the same condition that they were in when I got them, and I have not even had to clean them yet. Right now, they are doing their promotions for the You Are My Sunshine, and it, it kind of hit home right now for me because of everything that we are dealing with my mom. Just to be able, to receive something and smile, it means so much. And a lot of times we don't realize how the simplest things mean so much to you. A lot of time we take certain things for granted, and this is just very personal to me right now. So yeah, it really is. And I don't want to cry, y'all. I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry at all. But yeah, if you guys are interested in receiving anything from them, please go check out their website. They have things for all age groups. They have things for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, sweet 16s. If your daughter, your niece, granddaughter is turning 16, 18, 21, same for your boys. They do have jewelry on there for them because I know a lot of people do not like just wearing certain color jewelry. They do have them in gold, silver, and pink gold. They also have jewelry for men in like the black, like that. It's like a black charcoal. They also have silver because I want to get some stuff for Jordan, for our two sons, and for my brother as well. And like I said, especially with everything we got going on with our mom right now, we want to get some signature pieces with her name on it. And so each one of the kids and the grandkids will have it, and we will all have the same. So it's definitely coming right on time for us. And if you guys are interested at all in purchasing anything that they have, like I said, I just ask that you go on and look at their site. They do have very, very, and when I say very reasonable prices on really nice jewelry, they have really reasonable prices. I am a very frugal shopper. I like to shop on a budget, so I always want to get stuff that's going to be within my means. And you definitely have the choice and option of doing that. Um, and what else do I want to tell you guys? Yes, I do have a discount code. The discount code will be on the screen as well as in the description box below. I would definitely like to thank everyone over at Karativa. They have been very patient. They have been so kind and sending really nice words of encouragement through everything we're dealing with right now with our mother. So I truly appreciate that. That means more than anything else could to us right now. And remember, you can always go onto their site any time of year. They do have customized jewelry boxes for whatever they are promoting at that time. Y'all remember during Valentine's Day, they had that. During Christmas, they had different jewelry boxes. And now this time of year, they have their You Are My Sunshine jewelry boxes. So even if you guys do not want to purchase any jewelry right now, y'all may already have jewelry and just want y'all a jewelry box. So they have musical jewelry boxes as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know it wasn't much. I know it's not my usual video, but again, I'm pretty sure you guys understand exactly what we're dealing with and going through. And so once again, thank you to Karativa Jewelry for working with us once more. I appreciate it. And to you guys that's just taking the time out y'all day to watch this portion of this video, I appreciate that, and it really does mean a lot to me. So make sure y'all check out the description box or the pinned comments and just go check them out. Let them know that we sent you guys if you do follow them or will follow them on IG. And we will see you guys later. So let's go ahead on and join or just get back to the rest of this video.
You can get these here, I guess. I just need a small pack, just enough for Mama. For her Alfredo. Because I'm pretty sure Mama Ia just eat regular, I just need a small enough pack to crumble it up for her.
This is 588. How much is that? $4.31? You can chop that up.
Yeah. Well, this one $4.14. It's $4.10. Yep. I'm just gonna chop it up.
I don't like the dark. And that's all we have it.
Alrighty. Make sure I don't need nothing from over here. I mean, I'm gonna be back in here Saturday, but not here. I'll be back in here Saturday. We want her some Cheeto Puffs.
I've been wanting those.
Let's see. I'm gonna get one thing of butter. That's all.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get one little thing of butter. Riri do like me. We got chocolate milk. We got how much white milk do we have? Do you know? I'm gonna go ahead and get one loaf of bread. I know we got a whole nother one at home, but I'm gonna just get one. Just in case.
This is $6.17.
For what? You sure?
Yeah, well these are 24.
Oh, them 24.
But that's for that brand.
And I guess I'll get one of these. Oh no, original round bread. What the? I'm gonna get one of these. I'll get in one until Saturday. And when I come shopping Saturday, I'll get some more. But I'll just pick one up just in case. Because I think we're good on milk. I don't know. Are we?
We should be good. If not, I'll stop and get one tomorrow when I get.
Because I know I got chocolate. I came and bought some chocolate milk the other day.
If not, I'll pick you one tomorrow. I think I'm done today.
Lily said she done.
You know what I wasn't wanting? I want mac and cheese with tuna fish.
That's what Jordan was talking about. Tuna salad. Yeah. Jordan was talking about that. Mama like eating that too. I do not. Well, y'all can have it. I don't eat that, but y'all can have it.
I told my friends and they said, "Are you pregnant? Are you okay?"
I don't even see any over here. Yeah, don't let me stop y'all.
What are you looking for?
Those breakfast sausages, they normally be right over here.
What do they look like?
In the box, like the ones I get. The old folks. The old folks patties. I don't see them. And I do not like those other brands. Yeah, they used to be right there. I tell y'all, our Walmart never have anything you're looking for. I promise you they don't. They never have what you're looking for. No, I don't want no bacon. I'll get smoked sausage. Yeah, I'm telling you, they never have what we're looking for. Like, they just don't have it. You go to the one in Waveland, they have everything. This one. I mean, Philip want bacon. You can find bacon for you and Philip. I just want some, and I know it's still pork, but
I eat a lot of sausage at work.
I just want
Kind of
bacon.
weird stuff.
You get the kind you want. That's fine.
I don't know where I want.
Here they go. I guess because I wanted it come in a box like that, but it's the old folks brand. Like I said, they don't have them. And the Tennessee Pride, in my opinion, be too salty. They just always be salty.
I like the old sausage, like the one that's in the black box.
Yep. The little sizzlers.
You don't have to get a big pack of sausage. It's not like everybody can get it.
Yeah, I know, but they don't just have smaller packs of these like that. I guess. Because I said we having that. Hold on, Chief. Yeah, because we don't need too much because they're not going to eat it all. Do they have cucumbers? Do they have cucumbers? Do you see them? Cucumbers. I don't know. They normally be here, but they got these, but these not the ones I want. Yeah, just put those in the bag. I need to. Can you put these two in the bag for me too? And I need to get the yellow bell peppers over here. These. You want some? I want some strawberries. All right, that's it. That was quick. Was it? It was. We're going to self-checkout. Alright, you guys. We're leaving out of Walmart. We're leaving out of Walmart Oh, goodness. Our stuff was what, 91?
Yeah.
It was. And that's not, I'm not going to say it's not. Hey, it is what it is. It was $91. So it is, like I say, what it is. You got to get what you got to get. You got to have what you got to have. But it was 91. So the best thing that we do, we just all put half on everything. So that way it's never on one person. Sometimes it is. Sometimes if somebody's in between the pay period, you just get the stuff and y'all know how families work when they blended families, and do what you gotta do. But it was $91 and some change. But we on our way back. I am gonna do a haul. Y'all know my hauls is always on my second channel. It was no budgeting. I can't even say, but it wasn't no coupons or nothing this go around because I just did not have time to be trying to see what was on sale. We just kind of ran in the store, make it do what it do. I am going grocery shopping Saturday morning. I want to leave early because, as I mentioned before we left out the car, Talia dress fitting is Saturday for 1:30, so I have to at least be back. So I'm gonna try to go to the store around 8 that morning. I don't want to have to go that early. I want to try to get me some sleep, but nothing else I can do about it because I want to be able to be there for my baby, but still do what I gotta do for the house. Because I don't want to miss her dress fitting. I was hoping that she will be able to reschedule it because of everything that we got going on, but I don't know if she had to pay for that slot to reserve it or what. I don't know. And she already had got all her girls to get off to go. So, but hey, like I say, sometimes stuff just it is what it is. Dang, that car almost ran into the back of that other car. Oh Lord have mercy. Let me get my tail off this road and home, because these folks around here, they don't. Okay. Going home. Oh, I may continue this video out. If you see another part of it, then you will know that I continued it out to show you guys the food, but I'm not gonna share when we cooking. I might do a whole separate video while we're in the kitchen, because I do need to get some content put up, because the last couple of days the only thing I've been sharing with you guys was her doctor trips, and I know y'all, it's important to y'all see it, y'all want to be updated, but I want to have some laughter in there too, you know. I want y'all to see that we are still having good days where we laugh. It's not all, you know, it's not all sad every single day. It's somber, but it's not all sad every day, because we're blessed because we're around our loved ones. So we want to smile and laugh and make the best of every day we have. So when I get home, after I get my haul and get everything put up, I'm going to make breakfast. I'm not going to share making breakfast or nothing, because I want to just sit down and eat. And if I record it, it's going to take longer. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure y'all are subscribed to all 3 of our channels. The links will be in the description box below with the other 2. And y'all can go back and watch some old content. If y'all don't mind, go support our old videos. Y'all get y'all some laughter. If y'all go back 2 years ago when all the kids was home and we will be out and about with my son Deontay, Talia, Alisha, Deontay, everybody. Mama, the kids, just everybody. So yeah, y'all please just go check out our old videos. That'll definitely support us for the days that I can't get any content up for y'all. And I will appreciate that more than y'all will ever know. And yeah. So y'all be blessed. Y'all continue to stay safe out here. Like I tell y'all all the time, just stay in y'all peace and y'all joy as much as you can, no matter what. Never let anybody take it away from you. Just continue to hold on to God. Continue to hold on to that grace. And I am doing the same thing. I am doing what I am telling you guys. And I love you all. I will continue to pray for y'all. Y'all continue to pray. And y'all can, not if. I will continue to pray for y'all, and you guys continue to pray for us all the time, okay? And we will see you all. I can't see if they're telling us to go or not. And we will see you all in our next video. Okay? Later, y'all.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.